Hello there! I'm over here behind the Chinden Zamzows and I have a very sad tree. This is a beautiful service berry. They're native to Idaho. This tree got a little bit dry and it's sad, so we're gonna help it along. And in the process of that, I'm gonna teach you how to plant a tree properly. All right, so we've got a hole dug here, but we're not quite there yet. Would this tree fit into the hole? Yeah, it would. But will this tree be successful in that hole? No. There's an old Zamzows saying, buy a $10 tree, dig a $100 hole. So we need our hole to be just as deep as this pot, but twice as wide. You need that space for root development. So the next step in planting your tree is that we need to amend this heavy Idaho clay. If you don't, water can get trapped in this soil like a clay pot and drown your tree. But also, look at how hard this dirt is. We want some good, loose, live earth. Compost is the best to mix with that soil and get this tree set up for a good start. So that's what we're gonna do next here. So next up, we're gonna bury our tree in here, but we're not gonna cover the crown of the tree. It does not want this part underneath the soil. All right, so next we're gonna put in the planting tablets so that they touch the roots here. Doesn't have to be anything more complicated than that. Toss them in there, nestle them in so they touch the roots. There we are. All right, now we're gonna give this tree a nice little covering on top of the soil. Call that a mulch. And all this is gonna do is give you a little bit more leeway with watering. It's gonna help retain some moisture on this tree so we don't need to water it as often. When you're mulching your tree, you wanna make sure that you don't cover up the crown of the tree or you can cause it to rot off. They don't really want a lot of moisture right here. Next up, we're gonna water in the tree, the most important step. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give this tree a little bit of help. We're gonna use this product that we manufacture locally in Nampa, Idaho called Thrive. It is a slow release fertilizer, so it's not gonna be too much for this little tree. That's important. You don't wanna go too strong too fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some Thrive and we'll apply it on this tree. This first watering really isn't to water the tree, although this poor thing is thirsty. This first watering is to settle the soil and get any air pockets out. All right, we've given this tree a really good drink, settled the soil down very nicely, and we're not going to water it again for a week. Otherwise, we risk drowning the tree. And now, through the end of June, Zamzows is offering free delivery for your trees and shrubs if you purchase everything you need to get them planted successfully. Thanks for watching.